everybody? This is ECR Freeze, and I'm doing a Yu-Gi-Oh pack openings, and I'm just gonna open these packs real quick, and I'll get back to you. Well, the boxes. All right, be right back. All right, so now that I opened the boxes, you guys, as you guys know, that the God packs come with 5 cards, 3 rares, 2 commons, and at the end is for the last pack I got the Judgment of Light, one of the newer packs. So here we go. I'll tell my cousin Silverman2271 to hold the camera. And here we go. Forbidden Lance. What is that? Helping Robo for combat. Mosaic Manticore. Manticore, okay. Ape Fighter. And keep it still, Dragon Ice. Alright, that's the first pack. Second pack. Swords of Concealing Light. Card Trader. Valley. Alexander Dragon. And
Vylon Terra. I have Stella.
Alright, alright, now we're going on to our third pack. Alright. Half counter.
That's pretty good. That's really
good. Forest Orc? What? What you say?
Frostosaurus.
Alright, Frostosaurus, okay. Ultimate Tyranno. Needle Sunfish. And Embonpoint of Amphius. I don't know. I don't even know how to pronounce that, guys. Sorry if I pronounce it wrong.
I can't really see it because of the angle on there.
Fourth pack.
Oh, that's really good.
Malevolent
Lancer.
Alright. Slate Warrior. Memory of Adversary.
Dodo.
Okay. Star Blast. Alright.
I always want to use that card.
Alright, so now we're on our fifth pack.
That's really good. I need
Book of Moon.
more of those.
Bamboo, the Soul Eater. Beast Machine King Barbos Trady Orc.
Tardy Orc.
Oh, okay. Blockman. And,
what do you want for that Book of Moon? I need that for a deck.
Alright, 6 pack. Alright, Marvelin, whatever. You guys already know. Rush Recklessly. Premature Bureau. Luster Dragon. Vylon Terra.
2 of them already.
Alright.
And then if we don't get a God out of
this,
let's hope for
one.
Do we get a
God? Pitch Black Werewolf. Carbons. Vylon Soldier. Freed Sanctuary. Okay, Freed Sanctuary. Alright.
Let's see if we get a God out of here, which is
last pack.
I don't think we're probably gonna get, but let's see.
With my luck, we're not. Alright.
It's most likely in the box.
No entry, and nope. Windstorm of.
That's really good.
Okay. Ancient Gear Golem, Copycat.
Really good.
And Twin-Headed Behemoth. Okay. And for our last pack, which is Judgment of the Light.
Newest pack of the O. Oh, I thought that was another Book of Moon or for a minute.
Alright, this is a long name. Okay, Sargasso,
the DD Battlefield.
Okay. Star C4 Scout.
Reverse
glasses. The Calibrator.
The Collaborator.
Tablet. Okay. Brotherhood of the Fire Fizz Boar. Umbarrel. Horror Ghoul. Jump Blader. Yeah.
Xyz.
Respiration. Okay.
Oh my
Traptic. I don't know.
Nephilus.
Okay, yeah. And that's
What do you want for that card?
That's all that I picked up today. A local store. Haven't really been into the game lately, so try to get something. Alright. Thanks guys. Please comment, subscribe, like the video. Thank you.